Alright, I'm going to show you just kind of a simple, easy way to just set up in your backyard with just like whatever you can find. A ladder. This is a movie projector screen from an old projector. I just stuck this other thing on top of it, put a piece of metal in it. So if you have something like this, which is a I don't know if it's a 49-to-1 balun, that'll make the radio happy and it'll radiate at least a little bit, but not amazing. So you've seen a couple of chairs, unless you're going to run enough coax to go inside the house. And if you're like portable, small battery, believe it or not, a 6 amp hour battery will do 100 watts on sideband for a little while. The amp hours are not what you think they are. That means that this battery is capable of delivering 6 amp hours, and that's usually rated over a 5-hour period or a 12-hour period or whatever they specify at a certain amount of amps of discharge. But it can instantaneously discharge about 4 times what it's rated at. That's just what it's rated to discharge over a period of time, not what it's rated to be able to deliver. It's kind of like cold cranking amps versus, cranking amps or reserve amps or whatever. So it is a 6 amp hour battery, but it can give you at least 20 amps on peaks. If you were to key it down and draw 20 amps on it, well, I don't know, you might get 5 minutes out of it. I don't know what you might get. You might overheat the BMS, but anyway, we're not going to get into that right now. So basically we're going to string up a wire and put it on this ladder or this pole here. We've got a couple of different things. This is just cheap dollar store wire. I've also got this really weird slinky antenna that I found at the thrift store, so I might try that one. Okay, you see this? This is steel wire. We're going to attach that on here and we're going to put it up in the air. Alright, so after a lot of untangling, we got this one here. We tied it off to the ladder. We can go up a little higher. Alright, and this ladder, by the way, is a fiberglass trap. You grab this thing, carry it, you'll be sorry. Let's get that going over here. It's just slightly above my head. And we're gonna set the radio up right here. Now, I don't feel like searching around on the band, so I'm gonna use the 710. Just gotta get it located in a spot where I can see. So the reason that I make videos like this is to prove that you don't have to do summits on the air. You don't have to do parks on the air. You can set up in your backyard. You can go to the local park. You do whatever you want to do. You can get on the air. There's no excuse. It's not that hard. It might seem like it, but it's not, and I'll show you. And I don't have to use this. I can use whatever I want. But this is what I'm going to use. And we'll maybe use the G90 also. I swear to God, I live in Dogtown. Okay. See if we can move this thing in here a little further. Maybe we'll be able to see it. Maybe we won't. I have a specific cord that I use for portable. I'm trying to not set everything on the ground here. Let's go ahead and do that. We can put our mic right there. This is a cord that doesn't have any fuses. And then I have the watt meter, battery watt meter, source and load. I use these connectors here so I can adapt them. I used to have a whole bunch of these, what they're called Deans. So I like to have that with the battery. I don't even know if this battery is charged. And there's another adapter that I use when I want to use Anderson power poles. And it says, if we can read it, we're at 12.84 volts. So we'll see. Let me set this down here where I might be able to read it in this shade. The sun is really bright right now. Yeah, it's about impossible to read the damn thing. In fact, I can't even read the radio. So this is why like field operation can be really a pain. Okay, we don't have any counterpoise whatsoever. And I honestly can't read this thing. So the sun is shining right here. See the battery down here, chair, wires going up over here, it's going over to the ladder over there. You see the wall? I'm not even as high up as that wall. I got some junk in the backyard we use this for shooting bow and arrows. Really, really hard to read that screen. So I mean, I can't even read it. Let's go ahead and see if it'll tune it. Okay. And I really can't even read the scope at all. It's impossible to read it, man. It's ridiculous.
Kilo Papa 4, November Echo Lima, Nelson from Puerto Rico. You are armchair copy 59 plus 20 here in South Alabama. Okay, thank you, Matthew. Thank you. Now going in for 35 cents. So, carry forward, 5 by 10, 5 by 10. Yeah, USL. I used to work with a Nelson from Puerto Rico at a distribution center here. He's a fine individual. God bless you, sir, from Puerto Rico. I wish you all the best. 73.
I can't even read anything.
All the best, sir. God bless.
It really is bad.
Alpha Echo 4, Juliet Charlie, and you are 3711. You are set.
Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo.
Alpha Delta 6, Delta Bravo, Dwayne from California, 5 and 9 into the South Alabama Gulf Coast.
Yeah.
Excellent, sir. Great station, great signal. Keep up the good work. All of that, 73. This is Alpha Echo 4, Juliet Charlie, US 3711.
Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo.
Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo, Bram from Arizona, another Arizona in the log. This chart is going to look really interesting. So it's got a wide open highway between Puerto Rico and Arizona. So anyway, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Thank you for hanging with me, Bram.
QSL 5959 into my backyard on the I'm on the 710. I got like just a 30-foot piece of wire. I'm just doing a demonstration video for my YouTube channel to show people you can get on the air with anything.
Well, that's a fact. You're just like you're sitting next to me out here at the park. So thank you for hunting me down, Brown. God bless you, and all the best from South Alabama. Over.
QSL, you too, 73s. And if you want to look for the video, it'll be on Ham Radio Hack on YouTube.com, okay?
Ham Radio Hacks on YouTube. God bless you, sir. Yeah, no problem, man. Not quite sure how I can remember that. Oh, hey, they got a note thing in this. I'm using this Polo logger. Pretty good. I'll enter a note. What was that? Oh, stand by. Note. Okay. I'm trying to hit the notes here. Yeah, that's not working very well. Okay. If I was doing a review on this logger, I would improve their notes. So I don't want to mess that up. What was the name of that website again? I'll write it down.
It's Ham Radio Hack. Just look it up on YouTube, Ham Radio Hack, and you'll see a little picture of lightning I took here in Arizona.
Ham Radio Hacks. Okay, I had to go to the notepad there for that one. But yeah, excellent. Fine business, sir. Yes, you're on the air and doing well. So all the best again. 73 from South Alabama.
73. There you go, guys.
CQ. Parks on the air. Alpha Echo 4.
And this is all it is this piece of wire right here. There's not even a counterpoise. I can sit here and hold the damn thing. Look. That's all it is, man. Well, you can see where my loop is. Way up. Oh, well, not way up, but I mean, this is just me doing it in the backyard.
Papa 3 Juliet Jose from Puerto Rico. Go ahead.